What's poppin'? I'm about to clean myself up. I had a long work day, had a good time, serviced quite a few people, made sure they was nice and fresh for their events. So now I'm about to get me together for mine. Alright. First thing I'm about to do. First thing I'm about to do is clean my head and my face up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare regimen. Okay, so I'm using my wall reflection seniors. Okay, I'm gonna close my joints up. I'm going against the grain with the clipper closed to give myself a bald fade because I miss the clean look. I'm going against the grain all over my head. go. My favorite face cream, Noxzema. Let my beard grow back. Go through the rough stage. Had to pick out a couple of hairs. Sometimes my hairs like to grow back inside the skin. You gotta pull them out. Let it sit for a moment. It's gonna pull all the dirt and oils out of my skin because I like my skin to be baby's bottom smooth. And your skin can be baby bottom smooth too. I offer this service for athletes, brothers that do construction, that work with a lot of dirt, rehabilitation work, construction workers, city workers that work with trees, you do dump truck working. Come to me. Book the elite service or the MVP. www.stylistjohn.com. Young men's cuts between the ages of 12 through 15 is $25. 13 through 17 is $35. That want the enhancements. Otherwise, it'll be $25. If you want the razor enhancements, it's gonna be $35. Men's cuts are $40 and up. The MVP service is a men's haircut. The MVP service is a shampoo, hot towel, haircut, beard trim, razor line enhancement for $50. Okay, that's different than the regular men's cut. The difference is the hot towel and the 3 to 5 minute massage on the shoulders and the neck. Brothers, I know when you work a long time and you on your feet all day, you come to the barbershop, you get a haircut, you just want to relax and chill, all right? The MVP service is something that will definitely help you to relax and chill. It starts off with a great shampoo. And then a hot towel to help you relax and settle your nerves from a hard day's work, okay? Then you get a haircut, a beard trim, and a 3 to 5 minute massage on the shoulders and neck. $50, can't beat that. The elite service is a shampoo, hot towel, steam facial with the hot steam, okay, to help you relax. Haircut, beard trim, razor line enhancement, and a 10-minute massage. Book me now. www.stylistjohn.com 314-359-5499. I can get you fly elite barbers membership. Book now. This service right here is a facial, okay? It is an add-on service to any men's service that I have. This is popular for brothers that do construction, brothers that do rehab work. You work with dirt, you work with trees, you got a lot of sweat in your face, and athletes, okay? Elementary school athletes, middle school athletes, high school athletes, college athletes, and professional athletes can get this service, okay? This is an additional $25 service with any service that I offer. It's an additional service to the steam facial. It's an additional service to the hot towel service. Okay, only $25. It is a cleansing mask to pull out dirt, oil, and ingrown hairs that I use with tweezers to pull it out to make sure you have baby bottom smooth skin. Okay, there's nothing wrong with brothers taking care of their skin and looking and feeling your best. If women can go to the spa, get their nails done and hair done, brothers, we can come to the barbershop, get GQ'd up, get the fresh cut, the beard trim, get the men's beard treatment and the men's facial in order to help you look and feel your best in a men's environment, okay? Where you can go home to your lady looking and smelling good, You can go home to your girlfriend looking and smelling good. Or if you're single, you can leave the barbershop and go hunting for the ladies looking and smelling good. I'm Stylist John. You can book me at www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I can get you fly. What I love about the hot towels, especially the hot towel service, it's not too hot. It's just hot enough for me to take a load off. I can still breathe right here through the middle. Let's take a nice load off. Just relax for a moment. See that skin? Smooth. That be bottom smooth. Nice and fresh. Mr. Still Your Girl. Nah, I ain't stealing nobody, girls. I like single ladies. I am single, ladies. If you happen to see this, I like home cooked meals. I like traveling. I love learning. I love going to the park and throwing a ball. I like throwing a frisbee. I like painting. I like taking cooking classes. I love dancing. Love salsa. Love hip hop and merengue. And I love playing video games. I love having a real good time. Okay. If you see this video and you think I'm attractive, I'm single and I'm dating. All right. So shoot your shot. What's up? Fresh and clean.